Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me for Joy of Blue for November. This month I made these 6 cards and it was hard because I'm using stuff off the counter. I'm trying to challenge myself as I go around my room and touch things. Hey, am I going to use this? What was I going to make with it? If I won't use it now, why not? So Kathy was kind enough to remind me, Stampin' Cat on Instagram, that Joy of Blue is Sunday morning. This weekend is the craft fair that I do, and then I decided to do something a little crazy. I'm going to do a sale at my house on Sunday afternoon, since I will have all the stuff packed up, right? Instead of unpacking it in my craft room, I'll unpack it in the garage and see if maybe I can clear out some more. And I have told some local friends in Instagram and stuff, so we'll see how that goes. I want to take a couple of these cards with me. I wanted to get this filmed, so let me show you what I made. This happy birthday embellishment, I made this, I think, in one of our challenges, and I put these together with this die cut on a card front that was already together. Is it a stretch card? Sure. Is it horrible? No, but I don't think that die is something where I like the font very much. I think it would have been better on a kid's birthday card. Maybe I shouldn't have put this down here and should have put like little animals or something. Then speaking of kids' birthday cards, this paper was in the paper that Mary from Eugene gave me. And I thought it was just fun for kids' birthday cards. So I have a happy birthday. And then I have another happy birthday where this might not show too well on camera, but it looks fine in person. And then I have like sea creature showing through it almost like it's a fish tank. It's pretty cool because this is matte and then the paper behind it has a sheen. This hello tag has been moved around on my counter so many times I can't even count. So now it is a card. This was a card base that was sitting around and it kind of has a greenish back there, so I like it. Miss You, I've talked about it. That was a cluster that I made. I shouldn't have made it with a Miss You stamp because that makes it odd. I made this card and eventually I will send it to someone. If no one buys it, no one wants it, I will send it to someone. Wishing you a simply marvelous birthday. It was already cut. It's a little bit fun and sassy for this floral paper, and then I added a butterfly. What are you gonna do? I made some blue cards. I used up some weird things, and that is it for Joy of Blue. I did have more miscellaneous items and some things planned, but I was out of card bases and I decided to call it. All right, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out the other collaborators. Don't miss them on Instagram. You can follow the hashtag down below. And then check the same hashtag on Instagram to find Stampin' Cat and others there. I hope you're taking great care of yourself and that you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Bye-bye.